this jabbing will not help you remove the lug nuts from this big old truck, but this thing is very handy for other things in the area. If you want to remove bumpers, lights, radiators, if you want to remove the seat on your lawnmower, this thing will do it. Very, very powerful, very, very strong. Best of all, it is compact. So if you're working on a car, a truck, a lawnmower, and you're tired of squeezing your hands in, you're tired of bolts that you cannot reach, where the impact is simply too big, you definitely need one of these. This angle wrench is amazing. It comes with 2 very powerful batteries. It comes with 4 sockets as well, a charger, and an awesome carrying case. This is perfect for all those projects around your vehicles, around your trucks, your lawnmowers, and pretty much every other project around the house. Perfect for those tight to reach areas. Right now they are on sale, the biggest sale of the year so far, so I definitely recommend grabbing one before they sell out. Amazing tool.